Hey all, welcome to my channel. This time I'm making an organizer out of waste plastic box. So let's start. I'm measuring the height of the box and then taken some cardboard pieces and cut them according to the height of the box. And now I'm taking the measurement of 1 centimeter and cutting strips out of these cardboard pieces of 1 centimeter width. Then I am pasting it on the box with the help of a glue gun. Now I've taken some tissue paper and also a mixture of FEVICOL and water in 50-50 ratio, and then I am pasting it on the box. Tissue paper. अच्छी तरह से टिश्यू पेपर को ग्रूव्स में भी लगा लेंगे. And after the whole of the box is covered with tissue paper, let it dry. Now I am taking a mixture. I have made a texture paste with the help of putty and FEVICOL and a very little water. After applying the paste on this box, with the help of a safety pin, I am giving it texture so that it looks like so that these cardboard pieces look like wooden strips. Now I am taking air dry clay. This is paper mache clay, which is made up of chalk powder, FEVICOL and tissue paper. So I am making the center of. Actually, I am trying to make some flowers with the help of these kidney beans and clay. So center part I have made with the help of clay. Then surrounding portion with the help of kidney beans. Petals I have made with the help of kidney beans. I don't like to waste food, but ये राजमा, these are quite old, so ये खराब हो रहे थे, तो I thought of using them for making flowers. Middle portion, with the help of toothpicks, I made some grooves in it. And from my green area, I brought some leaves and made clay leaf with the help of these. ग्रीन लीफ को क्ले के ऊपर रख के और accordingly I have cut the shape. Now I am taking a toothpick and making veins. So in this way I have made some flowers and leaves. और अब one by one I am pasting them on the box. Actually हुआ क्या, I have forgotten to make border. So now after pasting one flower, I have made clay coil and flattened it and make the border of the box. I'm removing the extra clay. Then with the help of the back of this painting brush, I'm making grooves in it. And now I'm pasting remaining flowers on the box. Now that all the leaves and the flowers I have pasted on the box, we'll color them. On the clay part and on the kidney beans part, I'm coloring it with white color. Now I'm painting flowers and leaves with different colors, leaves with green and flowers with different colors. Here I'm taking yellow, a little white and a little brown to make chrome yellow color. Now first of all I'm painting the base. Now I have taken brown color and diluted it with water, and on the yellow, after the yellow color dried, I've painted all the box with the brown color, and then with the help of a sponge I will remove extra brown color. This is pearl blue color. I'm painting small flowers with pearl blue and then pearl red. This is pearl red. It looks like pink, no? And I made the border with dark brown color. And the grooves also. and when the brown color dries, I will use copper, metallic copper, to give it a metallic look. For center portion of the flower, for that also I have used dark brown color, brown mixed with a little black. This is copper color, and this will give a metallic look to the border and wooden look to the middle portion. And so it's done. Use it as an organizer, flower vase, or pen pencil stand, as you wish.